In the heart of the 19th century, amidst the burgeoning Industrial Revolution, America found itself in a state of educational crisis. The country was growing rapidly, yet its educational system was vastly inadequate, with illiteracy rates reaching alarming heights. Enter Horace Mann, a man of vision and conviction, who would forever change the landscape of American education. Born in 1796, Mann was a Massachusetts native, a lawyer by trade, and a firm believer in the potential of education to transform society. Mann's journey began in 1837 when he was appointed the secretary of the Massachusetts Board of Education. He was determined to address the educational crisis that plagued the state, striving to create a system of schools that would be accessible to all, regardless of wealth or social status. In the face of skepticism and resistance, Mann rallied support for his reforms. He advocated for the establishment of a state-funded system of schools, a concept unheard of at the time. He believed that education was a right, not a privilege, and that it was the responsibility of the state to ensure that every child, regardless of their background, received a quality education. Mann's action was swift and decisive. He implemented a series of reforms, including the establishment of teacher training institutions, the introduction of standardized textbooks, and the implementation of a system of school inspections to ensure quality. He also advocated for the introduction of compulsory education laws, ensuring that every child, not just the privileged few, would have the opportunity to learn. The consequences of Mann's actions were profound. His reforms laid the foundation for the modern public education system in America. The literacy rates soared, and the country began to reap the benefits of a well-educated populace. Mann's vision of a democratic, accessible, and quality education system became a reality, shaping the future of America for generations to come. Horace Mann's legacy continues to inspire educators and reformers today, a testament to his belief that education is the great equalizer, capable of breaking the shackles of poverty, ignorance, and injustice. His story serves as a reminder that one man, driven by conviction and passion, can change the course of history.